Inghol Likl has threatened to launch several forms of intense agitations, including committing suicide, if the government forcefully carried out eviction in Inghol. Addressing a press meet held today at the locality in the presence of various CSOs members, Likl Joint Secretary Eviction expressed serious concern over the government's alleged plan to acquire Inghol village in line with the expansion of the High Court of Manipur complex. He added that Inghol was developed in 1940s and gradually transformed into the current thriving condition by the leprosy and TB patients who were isolated and discriminated by the society. Continuing that, a total resident of 759, including 201 children below 15 years, are residing in the locality at present. Gijendra expressed dismay over the threat posed by the government's alleged plan to expand High Court of Manipur complex. He also accused the government of irrationally providing 49 acres of land instead of its actual requirement of just 20 acres of land for the construction of the courts complex. The organization Joint Secretary also informed that 42 individuals from Inghol had submitted a memorandum to DC Inghol East stating their decision to self-immolate in case the government forcefully carried out eviction in the locality.
Ngasi maroina khoina longnaba khanjaba warep sing sidi khoi khul si lengdaba anyhow torga khoi khul si kanaba gidamta angamba sakdi sin adunu thengnaba sigi wafam jima aduga ani subada khoi gi maroina higher court ta supreme court ta khoi thengnar kanda leing khol si kanaba hona bagi posima su khoi changchan ba aduga kaiguma government na puda masi tawragadi maduda khoi siba kangdana thengnarani aduga amuksu kaiguma government sina negotiate torga wari sabai abagi level amada laagadi Inghol sidagi hena kitang phaba mafam amada khoin alternative arrangement piragadi madusu khoi khunja singi tanara kanda kari tobo yage dusu khoi khana rakhini adugumba so natabida nampuda tawragadi madurade dum hena khoi misi mina me amsu tholok payai madudi khoi government invite to biganu ana thamjaki